Hey guys, good morning. So sometime ago I came back from tuition and just now I have freshened up. Now uh, I have some work, so I'll finish them and I have something, so I want to show you. So okay, after some time I will show. And first of all, I am going to complete some of tasks. And today is Sunday, so I want to complete only one lecture, and I will spend some time. So okay, so now whatever I have work, I will complete first. So guys, when I came back from tuition, after that I make vlog, and I completed some of my work. So and today, as like I said, as like I told, I want to share something, and I want to show something. So okay, so now I have completed the task, but and also I had meal. So in tuition there were a party, so I did there. So okay, so now it's time to show something. So okay, now I'm going to show something. So let's go. So guys, it's time to show something that I'm to show that my parcel. So so now I'll unboxing that. So in one mobile I'll capture in that time lapse, and in one other hand I'll make vlog. So okay, so now I'm going to start my unboxing. So let's go. So guys, now I am going to do unboxing. So let's start. So let's go. So it's too big. So what will be? So I'll show you. And guys, I told you like as like told you. So I am going to preparation for one exam. So that's for this. Here are so many books. So I have purchased. So let's go. Now I am going to unbox that. Very excited for that. So I was waiting for that. So now how can I unbox button? Start kila. So guys, now I am unboxing this. So let's start. So it's PW books. One of papers I have removed it from there. So it's too big and too heavy. So okay. Bag. So first one is I'm putting here, and second thing is PW diary. Okay. So another thing, there are so many charts. One is there some there are so many book AR students which has passed out here. So okay, one is booklet, and some of their motivational stickers. So also here are one book, We Struggle and Next Step IITA. So okay, that one thing. And also here are stickers like content preparation since 2 a.m. and so many stickers are there. These stickers is used for sticking on the laptops and so many things. Okay. And another thing, here are some pens, 5 pens by PW, and one here both earbuds. So okay, and also here a laptop stand, which I have laptop, so that will work for me. Okay, it's also useful for me. And this is a okay. This is a bill. And another thing is that here are books. So there are 3 books you can see. Okay, and also only 2 big books are there, and remaining books will come in 3 to 4 days. Okay, I'm unboxing that. So that's it for this box. So many books over there. Where can I? Guys, some time ago, I went to the DMart and I came back after 3 hours. So that's why today is Sunday and there was so much crowd. So that's why it's too late. So I just came and it's 10. So now I want to do my regular tasks like meditation and so many tasks are there. I want to complete them. So okay, first of all, I'm going to complete them. So let's. So guys, finally I completed my meditation. So now I am going to have freshen up. So because I want to have meal and after that I'll go for walks and then I'll directly sleep. So guys, today I was very tired. So that's why I went to the tuition in the morning and when I came back from there it's 12 or something afternoon I came and after that the order was received and I was there. Uh, so okay, whatever I did, but I did not complete my studies today and did not complete anything. And also, guys, I watched movie and there where my time went there at least 2 to 3 hours, and after that, DMart. I went to the DMart and there were also 3 to 4 hours of time went. So okay, so now first of all I am going to have meal first and after that whatever I want to complete I will complete and then I will go for the exercise. So guys, I just had meal. So today I was very tired and I'm feeling so much tired. So now I'm going to I'm going for sleep. So yesterday night I used mobile for uh, half an hour and after that when I go for the bed at that time I can't sleep properly and I was not able to sleep and that's why I again came back from there and again I used mobile and there were nothing to do any work for me and when I go for the study at that time I was very tired and I was not able to do study, so that's why I did not. So now uh, today I did not do study, so from tomorrow I'll start and from tomorrow new lecture will be start, so I want to attend them. So okay, so now I'm going for bed. So that's it for today's vlog. We'll meet another one. Bye bye.